he was explaining it to me, I was like, oh man, there might be something there.
Yeah.
I couldn't sleep that night.
That was your
That
was your moment.
Yeah, I got home and I'm like, man, there's something to this.
Yeah.
Right. And I couldn't put my finger on it. So I started doing some research, and literally within a week, I was in the business, man. I was fully in.
Yeah.
Because it just made sense to me. It fit everything that I was looking for. I could get in with not having to risk a whole lot of capital back then.
I was about to ask you, what are the things that made you with the slip? So you slept on it.
Yeah.
Obviously you slept on it, but what is that thing that spoke to you that said, this is exactly why this opportunity is great for me?
Straight away. So first thing, I went out and I started doing research on suppliers, right? What does it look like? How easy is it to get parts?
Yeah.
And what do the profit margins really look like?
Right.
And I was fortunate enough that I had a friend that was in the business.
Right.
So he was schooling me on to where to go to get parts back then.
Right.
Where he was buying parts.
Right.
So I just did the math.
Yeah.
Right. I'm like, okay, how much are you charging on Craigslist? He's charging $100 to fix a phone.
Right.
Right. I do the math. Oh, you're getting the part for $25-$30.
Right.
Man, this is 20-30 minutes worth of work. I'm like, this ain't bad. And for me, I wasn't looking at it from a perspective of Josh is going to do the repairs.
Right.
I'm looking at it from a perspective
Scalability.
of, what's the scalability?
For
so
sure.
part two was, yes, the margins look healthy. Let me look at the competition.
Right.
Like, it was non-existent.
Yes.
There was really nobody there, which was scary looking back because it could have been that there was no demand for this.
Right.
Right?